I'm in love with the goddess who lives down the street. I got clouds on my agenda and a spring in my feet, and I wonder if she knows, if she knows. I am smiling at strangers like I usually will, like a cat with a canary who will surely fit the bill, and I wonder if she knows, if she knows. What am I thinking? I got too much to do. I got no time to go running after dreams or chasing after you. But there's this sleepy sense that everything's gonna work out right. May I visit you tonight? Starlight, star bright, I am in